around your partner's elbows. Your fists will be near your sides. Don't bend your partner's back. Could you two back up a little bit so we have a little bit more room? And can you guys move that way a little bit so we got a little bit more room? Wait, keep going. Move like 2 steps forward, guys. That means we'll move over here. You guys This game is called Sit Down, Stand Up. Two rules. Number 1, your elbows have to stay hooked. You have to go all the way down. Ready now? Sit all the way down. Good. And I'm going to give you a clue before we start. Let's break the leg. Sit all the way down. The closer you... Hey, yo, listen to this. The closer you can get your feet to your body, the easier it is. If you're kneeling, it's completely impossible. Put your knees up in the air, get your feet as close to your body as possible. Pull your backs together, push up.